Hello everyone, welcome. Today we're going to be doing another chemistry past paper, and this is from 2018 May-June paper 13, and this is one of the trickiest infrared questions I've seen, so I think this will be great to do. So let us first approach this by reading the question. So there's a compound X which reacts with hot concentrated potassium manganate, okay, and to form a product T, and there's some absorptions that are seen. Okay, so S has a strong absorption between 1670 to 1740. So what does this signify? The absorptions between 1670 to 1740 usually indicate the presence of a C double bond O bond, right? So this means there's no C double bond O present in S, hence you can already eliminate option C for now. Next, T has a strong absorption at 1720, hence we know there is a C double bond O. That is most likely to occur, but has no strong broad absorption between 2500 and 3000. So what does this mean? We need to know that 2500 to 3000 is the infrared range for the hydroxy group of a carboxylic acid. So if this isn't present, what does that indicate to us? This indicates to us that there is no carboxylic group present, right? There's no carboxylic function group. So you can automatically eliminate option A, this. Now what most students don't notice or have trouble with, they think, oh, there's no carboxylic group here. However, this is wrong. This part is a carboxylic group. Because if you imagine here, right, like this, it's a little bit hard to draw, but when you draw it out, I'm not sure, I'll just leave the rest of the molecule, right? But when you draw it out, you start writing the formula from left to right. So this doesn't come in this common form of C double bond O, C2 oxygen, sorry, H. Instead it will come in the other way around, which is H2 oxygen C. So that is why many students get confused. Hence, D would also be incorrect, leaving the only plausible option to be option B. So another thing to do with just general advice is try to focus in on what the question is talking about. This question is clearly about infrared spectrum, so we don't have to place too much worry on the actual reaction that is occurring and if it's like even plausible or not. So don't worry too much about that. So here the correct answer will be option B.